Federal High Court sitting in Lagos State, Nigeria, has convicted 10 Thailand nationals who were the sailors of a ship that smuggled 32.9 kilograms quantities of cocaine from Brazil in the South America continent into the West Africa country, Nigeria through Apapa seaport in Lagos State. The court ruled that the owner of the ship or vessel named MV Chianeri should pay the sum of $4 million or its naira equivalent to the federal government of Nigeria as punishment for transporting 32.9 kilograms cocaine from Brazil into Nigeria. Details of the report as presented by the Public Relations Unit of the National Drug Law and Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, reads verbatim below. After over 3 years of diligent prosecution by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, a federal high court in Lagos presided over by Justice Daniel Osiagor has convicted 10 Thai sailors and their vessel named MV Chianeri for trafficking 32.9 kilograms of cocaine from Brazil into Nigeria through the Apapa seaport, Lagos. The convicted sailors, who are all nationals of Thailand, include Krilik Tanakan, Boonlet Hansungnan, Jakaran Booncharoen, Thamarong Puttulek, Warapat Paupinta, Marat Kantapram, Warapat Sombuning, Urkut Amsri, Panyudid Jaisak and Amrat Thawong. They were first arraigned before the court along with 9 Nigerian suspects by NDLEA in February 2022 on offenses bordering on conspiracy and unlawful transportation of the illicit drug consignment from Brazil to Nigeria. The vessel, the convicted sailors and the 9 Nigerians were arrested on the 13th of October 2021 at the Apapa port in Lagos. The Nigerian suspects are Samuel Messiah, Oshaya Maisamari, Ilasanmi Ao Abi, Ozabeye Stephen, Benga Ogunfadeke, Kayode Bulatari, Rilwan Omatosho Liasu, Sadi Sule Alani and Jamiu Adewale Yusuf. They were all subsequently charged to court over the illegal acts which NDLEA prosecutors argued contravened sections 11A, 11B, and 14B of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency Act Cap N 30 laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, and punishable under the same act. The convicted sailors had initially made a no-case submission which was dismissed following submissions by the prosecution that a prima facie case had been established against the vessel and its crew members. As a result, the trial judge ordered the convicted Thai sailors and others to open the defense on the charges against them. Following the court ruling, the convicted sailors opted for a plea bargain agreement with the NDLEA, and as a result, Justice Osiagor delivered his ruling at the resumed hearing of the matter on Thursday the 15th of May 2025. Among other penalties, the judge convicted the vessel MV Chianeri for unlawful transportation of 32.9 kilograms of cocaine into Nigeria and ordered to pay a fine of $4 million or its naira equivalent. The second, 11th defendants were convicted under Section 25 of the NDLEA Act for permitting the use of the vessel for the unlawful transportation of 32.9 kilograms of cocaine, while the second, third and fourth defendants were ordered to pay 100,000 nairas each as punishment for the offense and in addition restitution in the sum of $50,000 USD each or its equivalent in naira to the federal government of Nigeria. The fifth, 11th defendants are to pay 100,000 nairas each and restitution in the sum of $30,000, bringing the total amount payable to $4,360,000 US, $4,360,000.00. Justice Osiagor thereafter adjourned the trial of the 9 Nigerian suspects to June 25. While the prosecution was led by the agency's Director of Prosecution and Legal Services, DCGN Teresa Asuko, supported by A. Adebayo and Paula Wogbuyi, the defense team was led by the trio of Messrs. Babajide Koku, Femi Atoyabi and Tunde Adejiyigbe, all senior advocates of Nigeria, SAN. In his reaction, Chairman, Chief Executive of NDLEA, Brigadier General Mohammed Baba Marwa, retired, said the court ruling was a strong message to the international drug cartel and their local collaborators that Nigeria will never be a safe hub for illicit drug trafficking. He commended the NDLEA prosecution team and officers of the Apapa Strategic Command involved in the arrest, seizure and investigation of the shipment for the diligence and resilience in following the case to a logical conclusion. He charged them not to relent in pursuing the other part of the case still pending. Femi Babafemi, Director, Media and Advocacy, NDLEA stated on Thursday the 15th of May 2025.
Osazuwa Convict, bringing you the news in a more digital way.